Ayan o.
Uy, nalala!
Pag ginagin niya sinetri ka. Grabe ko. Napalin mo mo. Nagdudugo. Napalin mo ka mo.
Mayonnaise making. Procedure. Warm the cooking oil by steaming it in the casserole with boiling water. 2. Place the egg yolk in a bowl and beat them with an egg beater or fork until thick. While one student is pouring the warm cooking oil little by little. 3. Prepare some excess egg yolk in another bowl. Beat the mixture vigorously in one direction. Once a curdle forms, add this to a fresh egg yolk and beat rapidly.